Anyone tell me who this is? Anyone? Connor, who's this? Alright, is everybody gathered who wants to be gathered? Okay. I'm going to give you guys help about Zane the train, and I'm going to need your help at certain parts. And you'll know when, okay? Climbing, curving, chugging through snowdrifts on the track. Who's that creeping across the mountains with a clickety-clap-clap? Zane the train. That too. Woo! All right. Winding over bridges with a slow and snaky wiggle. Who's that rocking across the river with a wriggle, wiggle, jiggle? Zane the train. That too. Woo! Where's Zane? Can you point him out? Where is he? That's right. Roaring, rattling, rushing past a farm where brown cows moo. Who's that racing across the country with a chugga-chugga-choo? Speeding the train, that too. Where is he? Where is he? Can you tell where that is? Is that a desert? Yeah. Silly train in the desert. What's he doing there? Circling rocky canyons where the red sand's thick. Who's that cutting across the desert with a clickety-click-click? Zane the train! That too? Woo! Yeah, now you're getting into it. Where is he now? Does that look like the countryside or the city? What does that look like? That's right. What's he doing in the city, silly train? Slipping through the city with one long last whistle. Who's that sliding by the station with a hiss, swish, sizzle? Who is it? Zane the train. That's it. Woo! That's right. And that's the end of Zane's journey. Can you name one place Zane went? Can anyone name a place that Zane went? That is one thing that we did go. We did go.